So my cake is like a birthday cake, and Clay's cake is like a Christmas cake, and Chloe's cake. So guys, I hope you like my cake. I already colored it. Hello guys, welcome to Season Twins Art Club. By the way, I'm Rio, I'm Chloe, and I'm Rhea. And for today's video, we are going to draw a cake. So step by step, we're going to draw a cake. So let's draw it. First, we're going to draw a cherry. There we go. Like that, and then another, and the light. Okay. And then it's like shiny cherries. Okay, getting further. Okay, that's better. Make it a little bit bigger. There. Okay. Should do. Very good. Okay, while she's doing history, let's get a line here. And connect it to the line here. First, be straight. And another line here, just and down. Then a line here. Next, put a line over here. Sorry, it's okay. Don't put the, don't get it straight, just like this, slide. Okay, that's better. Now draw the cherry pie. Don't be scared, just draw. Just put a straight line. Okay. Now we're going to do the same thing here. It's like an oblong shape. Like this. Very good. Okay. And the next step. Yeah, it's okay. It's just a little bit bigger. I'll stir the cream. Every cake needs a cream. Just a wiggly wiggly. And just this. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. It's like wiggling. Let's put some dots so it looks like cake, like a bread. Okay, like this. Very good. Okay, I'm gonna show the rest of the cake. A little space. Okay. And then we are finished. Okay, finishing touch. So we are finished with our cake. So this is my cake. It's like a student right there. So it's like a little slant here. I like the cherry on top. You, what do you like? You like the dots, and you, what do you like? Also the dots? Oh, the cream. You like the cream. Okay, so now we are finished. We are going to color them. Guys, we are going to color the cream. So I'm coloring the cream this color, but the big cream is I'm not gonna color it because it's white. I like it white. So guys, as you can see, I'm coloring the cherry. So guys, I'm almost finished with my cake. I'm on the top layer now, and I'm gonna color it pink. It's like strawberry. I'm getting hungrier and hungrier. Are you hungry? See, I'm always done. So guys, just a little art tip. If you are going to color it straight, so your color won't be ugly. Just color it in the same direction. Like you're gonna color straight. And if you color like this, you'll color like this. I'm coloring the cherry at the bottom. Oh, she's coloring in the bottom. He's coloring in the top. And I'm coloring in the really low part. Oh, I love the cherry. I love the cherry. It's just like painting. Next is green. For the leaves. She is getting a color technique. So this is mine. I'm getting all. Yeah, it's beautiful. It's so beautiful. I know. In the top, I will color it sky blue or light blue. You color. Guys, I'm almost finished. So the plate is just plain white. So I added dots. I'm gonna add dots with color pink, blue, and purple. Okay, pink and blue is finished. That's purple. Next is the red, guys. The red one. I will decorate. This video, don't forget to comment down below if you want us to draw anything. And don't forget to just like, share, and subscribe and click the bell button so you will be updated to our next videos. Bye! Bye! And don't forget to be imaginative and creative. Bye guys!